Hello everyone, today I will show you how to clone yourself in Snapseed, and here's how it is done. Open Snapseed and tap Open to select your first photo, your main image. Tap Tools, Double Exposure. Tap the Add Image plus icon and select your second image with your clone in a different position. Adjust the second image size and position to align correctly. Tap the Blending Mode, Water Drop icon, and select Lighten or Add to merge both images naturally. Adjust the opacity if needed for a realistic blend. Tap the double exposure icon again. Then tap View Edits, Double Exposure, Mask, Paintbrush icon. Use your finger to paint over the second image, erasing unwanted parts to blend seamlessly. Adjust the opacity for a natural effect. Tap Check to apply. Finally, you can fine-tune the image. Simply go to Tools, Tune Image to adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation for a balanced look. Use brush, exposure to brighten or darken areas for a realistic effect. Tap Export and save your clone photo. And that's everything you need to know about how to clone yourself in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.